Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode on your headphones JBL TUNE 770. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use the application or we can use control. Let's get started. By use the app, you need to open JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, and then the application open for you the headphones menu. If you're in the main menu, just tap at your headphones here. Now, to enable transparency mode, firstly we need to enable ambient sound control if it's disabled, and then tap at the ambient aware line. This one is transparency mode. To disable it, you can swap to ANC, talk through, or disable ambient sound control. As I said, we can also use control, and at the right ear cup, near to the power button, we have ambient sound control button. So right now it's disabled. You need to press one time, you will enable ANC, then press again, and you will enable transparency mode. To disable transparency mode, you can or switch to talk through by double press at this ambient sound control button 1, 2, or press one time and you will swap to ANC from transparency. You cannot disable ambient sound control using control. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.